my views. Book no longer is the news. They learn out of the day. The poem is no longer there. The news is inspiration now. It goes with other forms of day. If today our fancies out of birds were still quiet, physical remains understood, and without it, we but required. Why the coffee is not broke. In the case of this filter, that our hearts may be, we must save the pen of spirit, and with birds and lime silver. Bring up birds, yes, Dios, that is the past inspired me, and with songs of love inspired me. Also know, to do all the suppose, to the insorted propose, I must earn the goal that hired me. Now must I ponder deep, meditate, struggle on, and sometimes I must sweat for the whole love will keep. Each pain is undergone, then are the days of peace, the days of love, delight. When flowers still will cease and give to suffering souls to cease from pain and sorrow life. One by one they have passed on. All I love and hope among. Dead or married from me gone, for all I place my heart upon. My faith at first are strong. Go to amuse depart, other regions fair find. For my land what offers are, for the laurel trees that bind. For a temple, reason blind. But before to leave me speak, tell me which the voice blind, the whole ever promising, song of sorrow for the weak, defense to the Ryan Ryan.
Thank you. Yay!